Mastering the phrase, at the 11th hour. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or seen in movies, books, or everyday conversations, at the 11th hour. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for not just grasping the language better but also for enriching your communication skills. So, let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. At the 11th hour refers to taking action or making a decision very late in the process, usually at the last possible moment when it's almost too late. This phrase is often used to describe situations where a significant change or decision happens just before a deadline or a critical moment. The phrase, at the 11th hour, has biblical origins, coming from a parable in the Gospel of Matthew in the New Testament. In this parable, workers are hired at the last, or 11th, hour of the day to work in a vineyard, yet they receive the same pay as those who had worked all day. This story has come to symbolize the idea of last-minute opportunities or changes, and over time, the phrase has evolved to represent doing something at the last possible moment in a broader context. To better understand how to use at the 11th hour, let's look at some examples. The government reached an agreement at the 11th hour, avoiding a shutdown. She submitted her application at the 11th hour, just before the deadline. At the 11th hour, he changed his mind and decided to stay. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to indicate actions or decisions made just in time before it's too late. Knowing phrases like, at the 11th hour, can greatly enhance your understanding of English. It allows you to grasp the nuances and express yourself more vividly. Furthermore, it helps in understanding the cultural and historical contexts behind common expressions, making your communication richer and more engaging. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning, origins, and uses of the phrase, at the 11th hour. Phrases like this are the jewels of the language, adding color and depth to our conversations. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll find yourself becoming more proficient and expressive in English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning.